Hey there everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising S7 syllabus. So let us revise 5th lesson, the happy field. So this warm-up exercise already we have done, children, so no need to do this now. You have to listen the lesson carefully. Alright, please open page number 54. Once upon a time, there was a field. There was a field. He was flat and covered with green grass. Only the cows thought his grass was delicious. So what happened here, children? What is this picture? Yeah, this picture is containing field, right? So he was flat and covered with green grass. As you can see here, green grass. Only the cows thought his grass was delicious. Here, delicious is nothing but tasty. So who thought that? The field thought that only cows thought that his grass was delicious, but after some time he got tired of being plain and dull. Who got tired and being plain and dull? Yes, very good. The field got tired of being plain and dull. Here plain is nothing but simple and bare, without anything growing on it. So without anything growing in it. Yes, children, so that is nothing but plain. Here dull is nothing but boring, not interested. So who got bored here? Yes, the field. What do you mean by field? Here is the definition. Field is a piece of ground that is used to grow food. It usually has a fence or wall around it because it belongs to a farmer. Alright, so that is nothing but the meaning of a field. Now, what am I going to do? I'm so plain, he sobbed. Finally, he decided to grow a hump. Now, who is sobbed here? Sobbed is nothing but cried noisily. Who sobbed here? The field said to himself that I am very plain and I have decided to grow a hump. Hump is nothing but a raised part of the ground. Okay? Then, so he pushed and he shoved and he pushed and he shoved till he grew a beautiful little hump. But as soon as a hump came up in one part, a hollow appeared in another part. Shoved is nothing but pushed. Hollow is nothing but empty hole. So he decided to shove and pushed till it grew a beautiful little hump. Alright, so as the hump came up in one part, a hollow, an empty hole appeared in the other part. Then just a cloud said, "Oh, look, a hollow," and poured rain into the hollow. The hollow became a lake, and very quickly ducks and geese landed in the water. Splash! So here you can see, previously it was just an empty hole. Then who saw here? Yes, the cloud saw, and he said, "Look, a hollow," and he started pouring rain into the hollow. Then this became a lake, and soon after the ducks, geese, they landed into the water. Splash, with the sound splash. So this made the field very happy. By seeing this, the field became very happy. Now in his field, what has grown? The grass has grown, and here the lake has been come up. The cows, geese, ducks. So by seeing this, the field felt very happy. And he was pleased to hear the moos of the cows, the quacks of the ducks, and the honks of the geese too. Here, pleased to hear is nothing but very happy to hear. The moos, the cow says moos, and the duck says quacks, quacks, and the honks of the geese. The geese make the sound as honks. Okay. He loved his new friends. So who are the friends of the field? Yes, the cows, geese, ducks, these are the friends of the field. After a while, he felt the sun was too hot in the daytime. The sun is shining down from the blue sky for many hours now, thought the flat field. Now field started thinking that the sun was too hot in the daytime and it is shining down from the blue sky for many hours. So he pushed the earth on his hump till it became a hill. Then trees started to grow on the hill. Now he started making the hill on the field. Then after the hill became, so the trees started to grow on that hill. Then after a while, pretty green leaves grew on all the branches. The shady trees kept the field's hilly head much cooler. But as soon as the trees came up on the hill, a little lane appeared nearby. The lake cried, "River!" and ran towards the lane and kept on running all the way to the sea. So here the field started saying to the trees to give the shades and to protect them from the sun. And here the trees came up on the hill and a little lane, here lane is nothing but narrow way, appeared nearby, and the river ran towards the lane. As you can see here in this picture, the river is moving, right? So little fish swam up the river to live with the ducks and the geese. So here the little fishes started to live in the river and the ducks and geese. When it rained, the sun painted rainbows in the sky. The field loved those rainbows. See here, children, the field started painting. The sun started painting the rainbows in the sky, and the field looks very lovely with the rainbows. So after a while, he decided that he wanted his own rainbows. So the field squeezed the grass. He squeezed until flowers come out of the grass in the colors of the rainbow. The flowers brought pretty little butterflies. How delighted the field was. Here squeezed is nothing but pressed from all sides. So who squeezed here? Yes, the field squeezed everything and he decided to make a rainbow on his field. So now the field decided and the rainbow has come. And you can see here the beautiful butterflies. The field was very happy by seeing that, how delighted the field is looking. Next, just then a queen bee buzzed by with all her busy bees. They took the nectar from the flowers and made sweet honey. This is how the flat field became beautiful and lived happily ever after. Here queen bee, nothing but a female bee, came to the flower to suck the honey, to suck the nectar from the flowers. Alright, nectar is nothing but sweet liquid from the flowers they used to collect. Okay, by this the field became very beautiful and lived happily ever after. Alright children, so let us see the question answers part. First one, why did the field look plain and dull in the beginning? The answer is the field looked plain and dull in the beginning because it was flat and covered in grass. Alright, second question, how did the field grow a hump? The field pushed and showed for some time to grow a small hump in the ground. What did the cloud do to the hollow in the ground? Yeah, the cloud filled the hollow in the ground with water to make a small lake. Next, what did the field do when it felt hot? Yeah, the field pushed the earth on the hump till it became a hill. Then trees started to grow on the hill and kept the head of the field cool. Next, why did the field want rainbows? Because to look the ground more beautiful, and squeezed the grass till colorful flowers filled the field. And who took the nectar from the flowers? Yeah, the bees took the nectar from the flowers to make sweet honey. Well children, so till here we will stop. In the next video I will be explaining the remaining bits. So till then, keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.